Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic doctor. Today I am going to tell you about an Ayurvedic medicine, Punarnavasavam. The meaning of Punarnava means that Punarnava plant dies in a year. In the same root, next year the plant regrows. So, I think you got the meaning of the Punarnava. Mainly, it is new. The meaning is new. So, it also helps us for as a anti-aging property. It is useful for reducing the swelling in our body. If you are having swelling in any of your joint or any of your small joints or big joints, you can use this medicine. Next, this Punarnavasam is used as a diuretic. For easy flow of urine, you can use this medicine. If you are having any recurrent urinary tract infection or kidney stone problems, or burning sensation during passing the urine, you can take this medicine. This is a very good medicine for removing the toxins from our body. Like that, this is also good as for anemia condition, for decreased hemoglobin condition. This is very helpful. Next is it is a ruchya. Ruchya means it helps to improve our taste, and it also have a good role in the digestion. It can also increase the digestion and food absorption. Generally, patients will come to my clinic and have a complaint that they are taking all the nutrient things, means fruits, salads, and ghee, etc. But it's not absorbing in their body. So in those cases, we can give this medicine, Punarnavasavam. Next is it is very helpful in cholesterol, for increased triglyceride conditions, or for increased LDL conditions. This medicine is very helpful. For heart diseases also, for the prevention of heart disease also, this is very helpful. Along with this Punarnavasam, we will add another medicines also and will prescribe to the patients. Next is for the increased uric acid and ESR conditions. Many patients are there who are having uric acid in the in the more range. So they can also use this medicine. For ESR also, increased ESR rate also, we can use this medicine. Next is for constipation, for easy movement of bowel movements, it is very helpful. In some patients, they may be using steroids and all, and they will get a puffy face and all our swelling in their body. In those conditions also, this medicine is very useful, as this remove the toxins from our body. Like that, in ladies, for the problems of uterus, means if you are getting more periods or more bleeding tendency during the periods, you can use this medicine. Or you are having any fibroids, cysts or tumors, etc., you can use this. For obesity also, this medicine is very helpful. For reducing the weight of your body also, this medicine is very helpful. Like that only, for depression or anxiety, or if you are getting regularly some thoughts and all in your mind, this medicine is very helpful. For the arthritis conditions, means for the swelling in the joints and all, this medicine is very helpful. And for the stiffness of our body, this can help, and this is a very good analgesic. If you are taking this medicine regularly, you will get reduced pain and all. So no need of taking all medicines regularly. You can give break for some time and you can continue with the medicines. So general dosage of our medicine Punarnavasam is 5 to 20 ml after food, twice or thrice daily, with the condition of the patient. So next we can see that who can't take these medicines. If the patient is a pregnant lady or a lactating mother, they can avoid this medicine. Along with that, if the condition liver cirrhosis is there or high blood pressure is there, they can consult with their doctor and they can take. For liver also, this is a good medicine. If some patients are there with fatty liver and all, they can also use this medicine very well. So before taking any of the medicine, please consult an Ayurvedic doctor. So thank you. These all are the informations about Punarnavasam. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends also. Thank you.